If you're trying to make money online and everything feels harder than it should be, this Zillow play can realistically pay you up to $500 a day, and it doesn't require ads, a license, or dancing on the internet. It's not sexy, it's not trendy, it's actually boring in the best way. And it's fixing one expensive mistake that most local businesses already have. And once you understand this, a lot of make money online stuff stops making sense and you can't unsee this ever again. And here's why I'm making this video, because most people are trying to make money online by stacking tactics, new platform, new funnel, new offer, new idea every week. Who this person's doing this person's doing that. It's exhausting. The people who win long term aren't doing more. They're actually doing simpler things in places where money is already moving. That's the lens I want you to watch this through. Not how do I hustle harder, but where is the money already leaking? Quick intro. If you haven't been watching my videos, my name is Stacia. I build automation systems for local businesses and online companies. I'm a certified GoHighlevel admin. And my entire job is looking at businesses and asking one question: where is money being lost because systems aren't in place? I don't teach theory. I don't teach hype. I build things that run quietly in the background and protect your revenue. So, what I'm showing you here is something I've implemented over and over again, and I've productized a system for this. And here's the shift that changes everything. Local businesses don't need more leads, they need actually fewer missed opportunities. This is where most beginners get it wrong. They think, I need to help businesses get more traffic, but traffic is expensive. Nobody wants to pay for more ads. Ads are expensive. Attention is getting expensive. Missed calls, those are free to fix. And Zillow gives you the front row seat to businesses who already have a demand and already have this major problem. Most people look at Zillow and see listings, and I look at Zillow and I see business owners under pressure. Think about it. Every listing means marketing is already working. Every agent you see has calls coming in, text, voicemails, and Zillow lets you filter it by city, zip code, activity. And so here's the actual play. You're going to go to Zillow, click find realtors, search a city, and here you go. You're not going to be looking for new agents. You're going to be looking for people with listings, sales history, consistency. Why? Because professionals already understand money. They don't need convincing. Professionals pay monthly, amateurs don't. That one distinction alone saves you months of frustration. I've been blessed to also work with some of the top agents across the country. And Zillow right here is giving you the play. There is giving you the answers of who you need to work with. So now let's talk about the problem you're solving. Over 60% of calls to these local businesses go unanswered. I know a lot of agents that don't answer the phone. But let's not gloss over that. When someone calls a realtor, they're usually very motivated. They're not bored. They're not just browsing. They want to talk to someone now. And if no one answers, they don't wait. They call the next agent on the line. That one missed call could have been a commission, a deal, a referral. Multiply that by weeks, months, years, and almost nobody has a clean system to catch those moments. They're dealing with Excel spreadsheets and hoping and wishing that they get the next deal closed. So instead of selling marketing services, you offer one simple AI system. When an agent misses the call, the system instantly sends a text. Hey, I'm out in the field. I'm showing houses. I'm sorry, we missed your call. How can I help? Team Stacia. That's it. No complicated setup, no complicated funnels, no content calendar, just a conversation that would have been lost that is actually getting saved. And here's why this works so well: it feels human, it's immediate, it lives where the lead already is. How many of you are most likely to respond to a text? You're not forcing behavior, you're supporting it. Now, this is where you don't sell this emotionally, you sell it with math. The math is mathing. All you have to do is ask three questions. What's your average commission? some states are different and everything like that, but you're going to ask these 3 questions. What's your average commission? How many missed calls do you miss per week? Let's get a little real here. You're missing calls. Realtors miss calls all the time. What's your close rate? That's people always like to think that they're the best closer. And then you stop talking. You let them do the math in their head. And suddenly, $500 a month isn't a cost, it's protection. So let's zoom out and recap here. You're not building a hustle, you're not chasing trends. You're doing 4 things. You're finding serious business owners, you fix one expensive leak, you're offering them one AI system, and you get paid monthly. That's the play. That's the Zillow play. If you want the full walkthrough, the setup, the scripts, the system that I personally use, and a free training to walk you through exactly how to set this up, click the link below in the description, watch it, decide if it's a fit. And if you're thinking, okay, this actually makes sense, hit the like button below. Make sure to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Comment below if you think this makes sense too, so more people will see it and the algorithm will share it to more people here. And I would love to support you in this journey as well. I have free training and weekly calls as well to help you build this business. If you're serious, I want to see you on the inside, and we'll see you on the next video. Much love and aloha.